is Watkins and I'm with the Care Academy. So I work in a day centre, so it's mostly people with learning disabilities. They range from different ages, and I just help them basically live a more independent life when they're with us in a day centre. My mum is a big influence. She's a social worker. When she first started her social work, I could just tell she really enjoyed it. And obviously as she's developed, I just see that she's really passionate about it. And she always said that I have quite a caring nature, so when this came up, I just went for it. The application process is really easy. You just have to apply online, and then they would invite you out then to do it's more like an assessment centre kind of thing. So you do a group activity, an individual interview, and we did some online learning. And then after that then, they would just email you whether you go through or not, and then you're in. So as of right now, I'm not qualified as anything, I'm just a trainee. But I think on the level 2, I could be a qualified carer then. And then if I want to, I can go on to social work or management. So there's loads of different things you can go into. I would like to be a social worker, hopefully one day work with my mum. But when I become a social worker, I'd like to be a manager or something of a team or something along those lines. I feel like Carmarthenshire is my community. I feel like being able to work with people within the same community as me and tend to different people's needs within my community is just great, and it's easy obviously to get to work, and that's it. Yeah, definitely. So the place I work now in Coleshill on placement, different ages and stuff. Some would rather converse in Welsh, some would just maybe go back to Welsh or something. So, or even if it's like little words here and now of Welsh, it does help you understand them, what they need and what they want. So yeah, definitely I'd say it helps a lot. I would suggest maybe look into people who are already in care to see how they feel about it, or doing some volunteering work. Something along those lines of just getting a bit of experience to understand what care is and what it entails, and see if it's for you. And obviously if you enjoy it, then you could do what I did and apply to the Care Academy. There's different routes. You can go to university and you can do different sort of things. So.